Dr. Wanchi, about to perform the process of reviving a dead bird. We have our high-tech defibrillator and oxygen. I'm gonna.
He's got lockjaw.
We got a lockjaw. It's got to be the medication we're giving him. Don't blow it up, bitch. Don't do that. Don't do that. A little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Turn the arrow. Just turn the arrow, Chris.
You're gonna give him. You're gonna get him back to life here. Clear! Clear! Give me 300 joules and now 2 cc's of epi. Nothing. I'm gonna go get some epi. I see him moving. I see him moving. Okay, he's gonna blow up. Don't do that. Don't do that, bitch. Okay, clear. Stop with the oxygen. You give him again. Clear. Not there. Give some more air. Go into my toolbox to the first drawer on the right side. The syringes. Give me 10 cc's of epi. Okay. Okay. Clear. Watch it. Watch it. I'm gonna give him 10 cc's of epi. Push direct to the heart. And 1. Clear. I'm sorry. He is.
You gonna call it?
Yeah, we're gonna call it. Time of death. Doctor.
12:01.
And we lost him.